These were pictures, and that's your residence there, correct? In the
Yes.
background? All right.
Yes.
And that this was after Thanksgiving of 2020, correct? Do you recall?
Yes, it was the beginning of December, I believe.
Okay. And do you know who took these pictures?
I did.
You took those pictures? Okay. And that this is an accurate representation of what Chloe looked like
Yes.
at the end of November 2020? Okay. Looking back on these pictures, do they cause you some level of distress?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Because I didn't see it at the time. All I saw was Hannah.
Okay.
Sorry.
And you also took this picture as well, correct?
Yes.
All right. What were you trying to do? What were you and your husband trying to do during this time after Chloe left with Hannah and went back with Mr. Benyamin?
We were just trying to get her and Hannah to stay with us.
And how were you doing that? Do you recall?
Just, my husband actually told her that somewhere down the line that if she came home, he would pay for her to go to school and buy her a car. And she did not like that. She said that it would have to be her choice if she decided to come home and do home.
Did you feel at that point in time that she felt like she could leave that relationship?
No.
Or that she left that relationship, she had concerns about whether or not she'd be able to leave with Hannah?
She wouldn't be able to leave with Hannah.
Okay. All right. That's
what I did.
okay. All right. And what other things did you and your husband do between Thanksgiving and December 8th of 2020 to try to convince Chloe to leave?
So she left right around those pictures.
Yay!
And I didn't see her again until December 7th, I don't believe.
Okay.
December 7th, she came to my house to pick up Hannah's stuff because they were heading to Florida. And I asked her to please stay with us. And she was worried. She said that Brian would never let her would never allow her to stay with Hannah. And I tried to tell her, don't worry about Brian and Jason or whoever's here. Well, we can take care of this. I will call the police and I will have them removed from our property. And she said, no, Mom, you don't understand it. He'll never let us stay.
The way she acted when she was at your house, was that different than you had ever previously seen her since you?
Yes.
I mean, you previously described her as a spitfire and talkative.
No,
and
at this point she was, I hate to say it, but she was just drained and dead inside. She was like a zombie. She was just, she wasn't her. She wasn't Chloe.
Okay. Both physically and mentally or emotionally?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
All of it.